The costs of veterinary care in the U.S. are up 9% from a year ago. But in parts of the rural West, cost is just one barrier to animal care. The biggest hurdle is finding a veterinarian. A group of volunteers is working to help reduce that barrier to care by taking the vets to the people. Kris Van Cleave has more from the Navajo Nation outside Page, Arizona.
Across the Navajo Nation's 27,000 square miles, spread over 3 western states, there is a healthcare crisis playing out on their rural desert lands. There's an estimated 500,000 dogs and cats, many free roaming, and only about 3 veterinarians.
Thank you guys for coming out and helping our dogs.
Volunteers from the Parker Project and Banfield Pet Hospitals across the U.S. make regular trips to the Navajo Nation.
Hi, pup. Let's go get some vaccines. Yeah.
Going door to door, checking on pets, offering vaccinations, and regular pop-up clinics providing treatment and helping spay or neuter around 7,500 pets a year.
There was a dog we saw this morning, Minnie, who had a bad interaction with a car tire, and that resulted in some damage to one of her eyes. And so I promised her owners that we would clean that eye socket out and make her face happy and beautiful again. Good job.
Dr. Katie Howard is a veterinarian volunteer from Chicago who specializes in those types of injuries. She's using her vacation time to help.
I saw all kinds of happy young dogs. I saw, adult animals. It's okay. That just needed vaccines. And I saw really gracious, happy to interact with us owners and locals.
Nationwide, there are signs of a veterinary shortage. Costs are rising, and some estimates say the U.S. could be up to 24,000 vets short by 2030. For dogs like Ruby, getting veterinary care can be a bit of a challenge up here in northeastern Arizona. There's one vet nearby, but with limited hours, and otherwise, it's a several-hour drive to a veterinarian.
They tell us to go to either Flagstaff or St. George, and it's a long drive. I don't know if it's worth it, but same time, dogs and cats been, in your family for so long. They love you and we love them, so.
Iton Red King's family has 4 dogs and a cat running around their home. Checking on Blue.
Ouchie, what happened?
The medical team spots a potential infection they can start treating at the weekend's clinic.
Every time I hear about this, I would, take all of our dogs and get them vaccinated.
The Banfield Foundation has handed out $19 million in grants over the last 7 years to help community groups across the country buy more mobile care units and provide services to animals in need.
Good job, bud.
Since 2021, $1.3 million has gone to helping pets in Native American communities across 11 states. So far this year, that's meant care for nearly 24,000 animals. If you guys weren't out here doing this, would these dogs and cats get the care they got?
I don't think so.
Lacey Frame is a licensed veterinary tech who manages the foundation's field clinics. She used all of her vacation time last year volunteering.
Coming out here, they don't have access to that care, and being able to use my skills to help make a difference for the pets that wouldn't have gotten care otherwise became very important to me.
That difference means pets like Ruby are now checked, fully vaccinated, and ready for a little extra affection.
Good job.
For CBS Saturday Morning, I'm Kris Van Cleave, outside Page, Arizona.
Oh, they are doing such important work, and I can't believe they all do this on their vacation
Take
time.
their vacation time to do it,
Yeah, it's like, Vets Without Borders. How about that?
Yeah.
Sorry we don't have Dana here to do her dog.
Oh, yeah.
All
Such a good boy and
boys,
girl.
all the good boys and girls.
All right.